Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to stop receiving messages on Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen. You'll see a menu icon there. Go ahead and click on it to open up your options. This menu is your gateway to all the main settings and features within Messenger. Once the menu opens, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you into the main settings area where you can control various aspects of how Messenger works for you. It's where all the important privacy and notification controls live. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to navigate to privacy and safety. Click on this option to proceed. This section is specifically designed to help you manage who can contact you and how you interact with others on the platform. It's one of the most important areas for controlling your messaging experience. Inside privacy and safety, locate and click on message delivery. This is the control center for managing who can send you messages and requests. It gives you granular control over different categories of people who might try to reach you on Messenger. Now you'll see several categories listed here. The first one is Friends of Friends on Facebook. Click on this category to expand your options. Once it opens, select Don't Receive Requests. This ensures that people who are connected to your friends but aren't your direct friends won't be able to send you message requests. Next, go back to the message delivery screen and click on People in your Facebook groups. This category controls whether group members can reach out to you. After clicking on it, select Don't Receive Requests. This prevents members from groups you're in from sending you unsolicited messages. After that, return to the message delivery menu once more and click on Pages you follow. This option manages whether pages and businesses you follow can message you. Click Don't Receive Requests here as well. This stops promotional messages and outreach from pages, even ones you've shown interest in. Finally, go back one more time and click on Other on Messenger or Facebook. This is the catch-all category for anyone who doesn't fall into the previous groups. Select Don't Receive Requests to block messages from anyone else trying to reach you outside your existing connections. And that's it. You've now configured your message delivery settings to stop receiving unwanted messages on Facebook Messenger. By adjusting these 4 categories, you've taken full control over who can contact you on the platform. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.